Today I'm taking you all the way to Mandi and we are making an integral dish from Mandi Dham which is called the Khatta Meetha Kaddu. Yes, Khatta Meetha Kaddu. Oh my God, it's packed with flavors and it's my childhood nostalgia. So let's make this today and of course, we all will relish this together. Now we are going to cut the pumpkin. Scrape all this from inside. We are going to peel this now. Cut it into big cubes like this. As you can see, these are medium-sized cubes. Now the pumpkin is chopped and I'm going to temper the pumpkin with some mustard oil. We are turning on the gas now. We need to smoke the mustard oil for 3-4 minutes to remove the pungent flavor of the oil. And now I'm going to add some fenugreek, some fennel seeds, and of course my favorite ingredient, asafoetida, hing. Maybe some dry red chilies also. And now I'm going to add the pumpkin. I'm going to add some powdered masalas now. We'll start with the coriander seed powder. Of course, some salt, some turmeric, and red chili powder. When I say red chili powder, please avoid using the Kashmiri chili powder because it's just going to give the red color and not the flavor. So it's always better to use the normal red chili powder. As you can see, the spices have mixed well with the pumpkin. Cover this now and let it cook for another 4-5 minutes. While the pumpkin is being cooked, I'll make the tamarind pulp now. I'll take 150 grams of tamarind. I'm going to add some hot water now. We'll give a nice massage to the tamarind now. And we are going to strain and then add it to the pumpkin curry. Now let's check the pumpkin, how far we have reached. Look at the color. Add the tamarind pulp. It's time to add some sweetness to our amazing pumpkin curry. Stir and let it cook for another 2-3 minutes. You know what? As a child, I have so good memories of eating a good dham, but Khatta Meetha Kaddu was my favorite. I remember how I used to stand in that line to get that second helping. Our Khatta Meetha Kaddu is ready and relish this with hot and piping steaming rice, just the authentic ways Himachalis love to eat. Don't forget to show your love on the comment section and don't forget to subscribe, get curried.